Hello guys, this is Sir Joseph Salcedo de Leon. Ngayon, papaalam ko sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga lugar dito sa Japan ang matatamaan ng super earthquake o yung mega earthquake na tinatawag natin ng Kaithro. So kung matutuloy yung ng Kaithro mega earthquake within this week or next week, hindi natin alam kung kailan. Ito yung mga lista ng mga cities na apektado masyado o matatamaan ng malaking earthquake. Ibaraki Prefecture, Mito City, Hitachi City, Hitachinaka City, Kashima City, Kamisu City, Hokota City, Owarai Town in Higashi Ibaraki District, Tokai Village in Naka District. So yun ang mga apektadong lugar sa Ibaraki. Next, Chiba Prefecture, Choshi City, Tateyama City, Asahi City, Katsura City, Kamogawa City, Futsu City, Minamiboso City, Sosa City, Sanmu City, Isumi City, Uwami Shirasato City, Kujukuri Town in Sambu District, Yokoshi Bahikari Town in the same district, Ichinomiya Town in Chosei District, Chosei Village in the same district, Shirako Town in the same district, Onjuko Town in Isumi District, and Kyonan Town in Awa District. Affected din ang Tokyo area. Ang lugar sa Tokyo, Oshima Town, Toshima Village, Niijima Village, Kozushima Village, Miyake Village, Mikurajima Village, Hachijo Town, Aogashima Village, and Ogasawara Village. Kanagawa Prefecture. Affected din ang Kanagawa Prefecture. Ano yung mga city sa Kanagawa? Yokohama City, Yokosuka City, Hiratsuka City, Kamakura City, Fujisawa City, Odawara City, Chigasaki City, Zushi City, Miura City, Hadano City, Atsugi City, Isehara City, Ebina City, Zama City, Minami Ashigara City, Ayama Town in Miura District, Samukawa Town in Koza District, Oiso Town in Naka District. We have also Ninomiya Town in the same district, Nakai Town in Ashigarikami District, Oi Town in the same district, Matsuda Town in the same district, Yamakita Town in the same district, Kaisei Town in the same district, Hakone Town in Ashigarashimo District, Manazuru Town in the same district, and Yugawara Town in the same district. Also affected in this mega earthquake ay ang Yamanashi Prefecture. Anong mga cities na affected dito under Yamanashi Prefecture? We have Kofu City, Fuji Yoshida City, Churu City, Yamanashi City, Otsuki City, Nirasaki City, Minami Alps City, Hokuto City, Kai City, Fefuki City, Uenohara City, Koshu City, Chuo City, Ichikawa ni Misato City, or Ichikawa Misato City or town in Nishiya Tsuhiro District, Hayakawa Town in Minamikoma District. We also have Minobu Town in the same district. We have Nanbu Town. We have Fujikawa Town, Showa Town, Doshi Village, Nishikatsura Town, Oshino Village, Yamanakako Village, Narusawa Village, and Fujikawa Guchiko Town. Okay, also affected Nagano Prefecture. Under Nagano Prefecture, we have Okaya City, Iida City, Suwa City, Ina City, Komagane City, Chino City, Kawakami Village, Minaminaki or Minamimaki City or Village, Shimosuwa Town, Fujimi Town, Hara Village, Tatsuno Town, Minowa Town, Ijima Town, Minamimaki Village, Nakagawa Village, Miyata Village, Matsukawa Town, Takamori Town, Achi Village, Hiraya Village, Nieba Village, Shimojo Village, Urugi Village, Tenryu Village, Yasuoka Village, Takagi Village, Toyota Village, Oshika Village. We also have Agematsu Town, Nagiso Town, Okuwa Village, and Kiso Town. Gifu Prefecture, Gifu City, Ogaki City, Tajimi City, Seki City, Nakatsugawa City, Mino City, Mizunami City, Hashima City, Ena City, Minokamo City, Toki City, Kakamigahara City, Kari City, Kani City rather, Yamagata City, Mizuho City, Motosu City, Gujo City, Gero City, Kaizu City, Ginan Town, Kasamatsu City or Kasamatsu Town, Yoro Town, Tarui Town, Sekigahara Town, Godo Town. We have Wanoichi Town, Ampachi Town, Ibigawa Town, Ono Town, Ikeda Town, Kitagata Town, Sakahogi Town, Tomika Town, Kawabe Town, Shichiso Town, Yaotsu Town, Shirakawa Town, Higashi Shirakawa Village, and Take Town. Shizuoka Prefecture. Ito yung mga lugar sa Shizuoka Prefecture na affected or maging affected kapag natuloy yung mega earthquake. We have Shizuoka City, Hamamatsu City, Numasu City, Atami City, Mishima City, Fujinomiya City, Ito City, Shimada City, Fuji City, Iwata City, Yaizu City, Kakegawa City, Fujeda City, Gotemba City, Fukuroi City, Shimoda City, Susono City, Kosai City, Izu City, sandali lang ha, Izu City, Omaizaki City, Kikugawa City, Inosukuni City, Izunokuni City, Makinohara City, Higashizu Town. We have Kawazu Town, Minamizu Town, Matsuzaki Town, Nijizu Town, Kanami Town, Tagata District, Shimizu Town, Kanami Town, Oyama Town, Yoshida Town, Kawanehon Town, and Mori Town. Yun ang mga lugar o cities and towns sa Shizuoka City na maapekto dito sa mega earthquake. And nasa Aichi Prefecture, entire region, Nagoya City, Toyohashi City, Okazaki City, Ichinomiya City, Seto City, Handa City, Kasugai City, Toyokawa City, Tsushima City, Hekinan City, Kariya City, Toyota City, Anjo City, Nishio City, Gamagori City, Inuyama City, Takoname City, Konan City, Komaki City, Inazawa City, Shinshiro City, Tokai City, Obu City, Chita City, Chiryu City, Owari Asahi City, Takahama City, Iwakura City, Toyoaki City, Nishin City, Tahara City, Aisai City, Kiyosu City, Kita Nagoya City, Yatomi City, Miyoshi City, Ama City, Nagakute City, Togo Town, Toyoyama Town, Oguchi Town, Fusoi Town, Oharu Town, Kanie Town, Tobishima Village, Agui Town, Higashiura Town, Minamichita Town. Then we also have Mihama Town, Taketoyo Town, Kota Town, Nukata Town or Nukata District, Shitahara Town, Toye Town, and Toyone Village. Mie Prefecture, Chu City, Yokkaichi City, Ise City, Matsusaka City, Kuwana City, Suzuka City, Nabari City, Owase City, Kamiyama City, Toba City, Kumano City, Inabe City, Shima City, Iga City, Kisosaki Town, Toi Town, Komono Town, Asahi Town, Kawagoe Town, Taki Town, Meiwa Town, Odai Town, Tamaki Town, Watarai Town, Daiki Town, Minamiise Town, Kihoku Town, Mihama Town, Minamimuro District, and Kiho Town. Also affected ang Shiga Prefecture, Otsu City, Hikone City, Nagahama City, Omihachiman City, Kutsatsu City, Moriyama City, Rito City, Koka City, Yasu City, Konan City, Takashima City, Higashiomi City, Maibari City, Hino Town, Ryo Town, Aisho Town, Toyosato Town, Koira Town, and Taga Town. Also affected Kyoto Prefecture, Kyoto City, Uji City, Kameoka City, Joyo City, Mokomachi City, Nagaokakyo City, Yawata City, Kyotanabe City, Nantan City, Kyotango City, Umiyama City or Town, Ide Town, Ujitawara Town, Kasakagi Town, Wazuka Town, Seika Town, Minami Yamashiro Village. Osaka Prefecture, Osaka City, Sakai City, Kishiwada City, Toyonaka City, Ikeda City, Suita City, Izumi Otsu City, Takatsuki City, Kaizuka City, Moriguchi City, Hirakata City, Ibaraki City, Yaoi City, Takaishi City, Fujiidera City, Niyagawa City, Hanan City, Higashioka City, Senan City, Shijonawate City, Daito City, Katano City, Kanato City, wait, Tayonaka City, Habikino City, Matsubara City, Suita City, Takatsuki City, Setsu City, Senan City, Izumi City, Kaizuka City, Kawachigano City, Kizugawa City, Yao City, Kajiwara City, Higashi Osaka City, Daito City, Moriguchi City, Kadoma City, Tatsuki City, Ibaraki City, Habikono City, Tondabayashi City, Matsubara City, Yao City, Ikeda City. Sandali lang ha, nawala ko. Ikeda City, Mino City, Toyonaka City, Suita City, Takatsuki City, Sensu City, Hirakata City, Neagawa City, Moriguchi City, Kadoma City, Daito City, Shijonawate City, Katano City, Kajiwara City, Fujidera City, Habikino City, Matsubara City, Kawachigano City, and Senan City. Hyogo Prefecture, Kobe City, Himeji City, Amagasaki City, Nishinomiya City, Ashiya City, Itami City, Akashi City, Takazuka City, Kawanishi City, Miki City, Tamba City, Inagawa Town, Kawanishi City, Ono City, Kasai City, Tatsuno City, Sumoto City, Minami Awaji City, Fukusaki Town, Kamikawa Town, Ishikawa Town, Kanzaki District, Kamikawa Town, Awaji City, Kami Town, Mita City, Toyooka City, Asago City, Tagasogo City, Sanda City, Kakogawa City, Nishiwaki City, Tamba City, Akashi City, Kakogawa City, Miki City, Tamba City, Sasayama City, Tanba City, Sanda City, Akashi City, Kakogawa City, Takasago City, Miki City, Tanba City, and Minami Awaji City. Nara Prefecture, Nara City, Yamato Takada City, Yamato Koriyama City, Tendri City, Kashihara City, Gose City, Ikoda City, Kashiba City, Katsuragi City, Sakuraji City, Uda City, Yamatokada City, Katsuragi City, Kashiba City, Ikoma City, Sango Town, Heguri Town, Ando Town, Miyaki Town, Tawaramoto Town, ang dami. Kanmaki Town, Kitakasuragi District, Koryo Town, Kawai Town, Oji Town, and Oji Town. Next, Wakayama Prefecture, Wakayama City, Kainan City, Godo or Gobo City, Tanabe City, Shingu City, Arida City, Hashimoto City, Kinokawa City, Iwade City, Hidaka Town in Hadaka District, Inami Town, Minabe Town, Hidakagawa Town, Yura Town, Katsuragi Town, Kudoyama Town, Koya Town, Kimino Town, Aridagawa Town, Mihana Town, Kamitonda Town, Shirahama Town, Susami Town, Tajii Town, Kosagawa Town, Nachikatsura Town, Kitayama Town. Okay, in Tottori Prefecture, Tottori City, Kurayoshi City, Yonago City, Sakai Monato City, Misasa Town, in Tohaku District, Yurihama Town, Hokoi Town, Daisen Town, Kotoura Town, Hino Town, Nishinan Town, Heizei Village, Heizu Village, Nanbu Town, Shimane Prefecture, Matsue City, Izumo City, Hamada City, Masuda City, Ota City, Yasugi City, Gotsu City, Unan City, Okuizumo Town, Iinan Town, Onan Town, Kawamoto Town, Misato Town, Chuano Town, Yoshika Town, Oki Town, Oki Town. Sandali lang ha. Ibarra City, Oda Street. Wait. Oki Town. Nasaan ako? Okayama. Oki Town. We have Ama Town and Chibo Village. Okayama Prefecture, Okayama City, Kurashiki City, Chiyama City, Tamano City, Kasaoka City, Ibarra City, Satosho Town, Yakage Town, Kumenan Town, Kagamino Town, Shou Town, Wake Town, Saiki Town, Misaki Town, Kagamino Town, Sho Town, Wake Town, Minasaka City, and Misaki Town. Hiroshima Prefecture, Hiroshima City, Kure City, Takehara City, Onomichi City, Fukuyama City, Fuchu City, Mihara City, Otake City, Higashi Hiroshima City, Hatsusaichi City, Akiota Town, Fuchu Town, Sera Town, Jinseki Kogen Town, Kita Hiroshima Town, and Osaki Kamjima Town. Ang haba-haba pa talaga mga affected areas. Yamaguchi Prefecture, Shimonoseki Town, Ube City, Hagi City, Hofu City, Yamaguchi City, Kure City, Iwakuni City, Hikari City, Nagato City, Mine City, Sanyo Onoda City, Shunan City, Kudamatsu City, Waki Town, Suwo Oshima Town, Waki Town, Suo Oshima Town, Hirao Town, Yanai City, Hirao Town, Tabuse Town, Hirata Town, Kaminoseki Town, Shunan City, Kudamatsu City, Hikari City, Nagato City, Mine City, Hofu City, Yamaguchi City, Shimonoseki City. Tokushima Prefecture, Tokushima City, Naruto City, Komatshima City, Anan City, Yoshinogawa City, Awa City, Mima City, Matsushige City, Matsushige Town, Aizumi City, Kitajima Town, Kajimaya Town, or Kamiyama Town, Itano Town, Kamita Town, Mima City. We have Sanagochi Village. And then Ishi Town, Churugis Town, Naka Town, Anan City, Kitajima Town, Aizumi's Town, Kamimaya Town, that's it, Kamimaya Town. Ang haba-haba talaga ng lista. Bibigay ko na yung mga prefectures. Hindi ko na babasahin yung city kasi the whole city ng prefecture. We also have Kagawa Prefecture. Buong Kagawa Prefecture ay apektado. And then buong Ehime Prefecture apektado. Kochi Prefecture apektado. Fukuoka Prefecture apektado. After Fukuoka, Saga Prefecture apektado. Lahat ng lugar. Nagasaki Prefecture apektado. Kumamoto Prefecture apektado. Oita Prefecture apektado. Miyazaki Prefecture apektado. Kagoshima Prefecture apektado. Okinawa Prefecture apektado. Yon. So wala sa lista ang Gunma Prefecture. Blessing in disguise. Blessing in disguise. And thanks God na hindi kasali ang Gunma Prefecture saan ako nakatira. Wala sa lista. Pero, indirect effect, halimbawa hindi man lilindol dito banda sa Gunma, apektado pa rin ang operation. Yung mapakain, mawawala, tubig, lahat kasi konektado lahat yan. So yung indirect effect. Pero hindi natin alam, kahit wala sa lista ang Gunma Prefecture, we have to be vigilant pa rin. So paki-comment nga kung kasama ba ang prefecture nyo doon sa listahan na nilabas ng gobyerno ng Japan na maaring maging affect or maaring apektado o makakaroon ng mega earthquake.
Earthquake warning. Earthquake warning.
This is an earthquake early warning.
Earthquake warning.
A big
Earthquake
earthquake.
warning.
Earthquake early warning issued by the Japan
A big
Meteorological Agency.
Japanese meteorological officials are urging people to remain vigilant. The tremor occurred in the vicinity of the Nankai Trough, where a megaquake is predicted and prompted an advisory covering much of the country's Pacific coast. The officials say the probability of a major earthquake in the Nankai Trough is higher than usual. They say this does not mean that a quake will definitely strike within a certain time frame. But officials have asked more than 700 municipalities colored on the map in green to check their disaster preparedness. The advisory was issued during the middle of the summer holidays when people are spending time in their hometowns, vacation destinations, and elsewhere.
I will bring bread or juice that will keep me going for a long time.
I checked with my daughter where we should call should anything happen.
The government is advising people to ensure that their furniture is fixed in place, that they know the route to evacuation sites, and they have a plan on how to confirm the safety of their family members. Households with infants, elderly, and people with disabilities are being advised to evacuate in the event of a disaster without waiting for an official order.
Officials are warning another major quake may be on the way, and while they say nothing certain, they've issued Japan's first ever megaquake advisory for the region just in case.
ただし、新たな、大規模地震が発生する可能性は平常時と比べると高まっていますけれども、特定の期間中に大規模な地震が必ず発生することをお知らせしているものではございません。今後、政府や自治体などからの呼びかけ等に応じた防災対応を取っていただけるようにお願いいたします。
The question is whether this earthquake could be the big one. Stretching 800 kilometers off Japan's Pacific coast is a seismically active zone called the Nankai Trough. It can produce earthquakes of magnitude 8 and higher. It's been quiet for nearly 80 years, but there's a 70 to 80% chance at least part of it will snap violently.
まず1週間程度、特に今後2、3日の間、注意いただければと思います。また、南海トラフ地震への影響という意味ではですね、
For now, officials are calling people under the advisory to fix furniture in place, learn where their nearest evacuation points are, and plan out how to reach them and family over the coming week. In case
また地震来るの？大きな地震が来るかもしれないから気をつけようねってことだよ。
Nankai Trough Earthquake Extra Information Mega Earthquake Alert. The words are a little difficult, but to put it simply, the earthquake that occurred makes it more likely than usual that another large earthquake will occur. Mega Earthquake Alert is issued. People like this family, who live in areas where they might not have time to get away from a tsunami if a large earthquake occurs, evacuate for 1 full week.